Yo! First order of the day, we've got a Starbucks. This is $5 going 1.5 miles. Also, if you're wondering on the contract violation updates, I was supposed to get something yesterday. Nothing at all. I mean, it never even showed up in my ratings, so I don't know. DoorDash, it just doesn't work half the time, so I guess we don't have to worry about it.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How you doing this morning?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Me too. This would be on the top floor. Got this pretty much right away. It is a McDonald's, $5 going 2 miles. So I'm supposed to get here right when the lobby's opening. Well, before it. And last time that happened here, they stalled me out and told me to go through the lobby, which wasn't open. I think I might take my chances.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today? You can come to the second window. Thank you.
Okay, they're actually doing what they're supposed to be doing. But now I'm behind 3 cars? I can't even tell. Thank you. 9501. 9501. Are these people... Like, how difficult is it to give a gate code? Next up is a 7-Eleven. This is alcohol, I believe. Yeah, it is. This one is $7 going 4 miles. Next up is Red Leaf Coffee. This is $8 going 4 miles.
Okay, here's that for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Hello, free cam.
I will let her know. Thank you, thank you.
Have a good day. Next order came in right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 2.5 miles. 6 items. Grab the cart. Do you know where I would find this? Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
As you saw, they added like 3 items, one of which I wasted so much time trying to find, but they didn't have it in stock. Pretty sure this is a no tip. I think this might be for you. There's that. And I couldn't find one of your energy drinks. I asked so many people and they said no idea. Got it? Have a good day. Yeah, that was a no tip. Next up is Red Leaf Coffee. This one's $5 going 2.5 miles. Let me open this. Next order is a Carl's Jr. This one is $7 going 3.5 miles. Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This is $10 going 3.5 miles. Or not, it just got canceled. Luckily, that was like within a minute, so didn't waste much time there. Next up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is $13 going 7.5 miles.
Welcome in. Should've got the sticker for it. Do you want the sticker?
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay. I'm at it. I'm a rose, boom.
Next order up is a 7-Eleven. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles.
Is that the one that's next to the pond in the back?
Thank you. You too. Got this one right away. It is a shop and deliver for Target. $7 going 2 miles, only one item. Been about 10 minutes, but finally got the next order. This one's probably not gonna be ready. It is only one item though, so shouldn't take too long if it's not ready. This is a Chick-fil-A, $9 going 4.5 miles.
Ubereats for Tyler. DoorDash for Donovan, 8. I have a DoorDash for Mackenzie.
Well, I got a DoorDash for Nick. What's that for you?
Thank you. This is a Seize the Bagel, $7 going 3 miles.
Ready for Amanda? There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $5 going 1 mile. Thank you. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Ulta. This is $9 going 4 miles, only one item. If I can go in through here, that's gonna be big. Hello.
Espresso. Boom.
Perfect. Thank
Yeah,
you.
You bet. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, I think it's time to go home now. Current time is 10:19. Total ended up with 106. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.